ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। Chapter number 5, sentences. First sentence is बालक विद्यालय जाता है। इजी। बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति। एक है इसलिए गच्छति। प्लूरल बालकाः विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति। बालिका विद्यालय की ओर जाती है। बालिका विद्यालयं प्रतिगच्छति। बालिका विद्यालयं प्रतिगच्छति। कन्या फल चाहती है। कन्या फलम इच्छति और हाँ इश इच्छति। कन्या फलम इच्छति। गुरु प्रश्न पूछता है। गुरुः प्रश्नं पृच्छति। गुरुः प्रश्नं पृच्छति। पुत्र फल छूता है। पुत्रः फलं स्पृशति। पुत्रः फलं स्पृशति। पिता सूर्य को देखता है। जनकः सूर्यं पश्यति। पुत्र चंद्रमा को चाहता है। पुत्रः चंद्रम इच्छति। पुत्रः चंद्रम इच्छति। दुर्जन सज्जन को दुख देता है। दुर्जन सज्जन को दुख देता है। दुर्जनः सज्जनं तुदति। दुर्जनः सज्जनं तुदति। पुत्र गांव के पास बैठा है। पुत्रः ग्रामं समय / निकषा सीदति। पुत्रः ग्रामं निकषा ग्रामं समय। Why ग्रामम? Because निकषा समय has come. Okay. सीदति। विद्वान धर्म की ओर जाता है। प्राज्ञः धर्मम अनुगच्छति। प्राज्ञः धर्मम अनुगच्छति। अनु, that is why धर्मम. Here they have written given anu, you have to use, so not, that is why pratigachati is not used, like or towards. Okay. गुरु के पास शिष्य बैठा है। गुरुम समया। गुरुम निकषा। शिष्यः, this is confusing, huh? गुरुम निकषा शिष्यः सीदति। कौन बैठता है? यू गेट कर्ता व्हेन यू आस्क कौन क्वेश्चन। शिष्य बैठता है, इसलिए शिष्य प्रथमा विभक्ति। गुरुः शिष्यम समीपम, रॉन्ग सेंटेंस है। गुरुः शिष्यम समीपम रॉन्ग, क्योंकि गुरु के पास, गुरु के पास, सो गुरुम निकषा शिष्यः सीदति। Any question on this? Because this is confusing.
Guru Samaya is okay, sir. Guru Samaya?
Samaya, yes. Samaya Nikasha, okay. Samipam, I am saying. Samaya Nikasha is okay. Shishya, next sentence. Sentence number 12. शिष्य समुद्र को पूछता है। शिष्य समुद्र के विषय में समुद्र को पूछता है। शिष्यः सागरम समुद्रम एनीथिंग, पृच्छति शिष्यः सागरम या फिर समुद्रम पृच्छति, बोथ आर संस्कृत वर्ड सागरम समुद्रम, बट हियर सागरम। यस, संसार ईश्वर को नमस्कार करता है। संसार ईश्वर को नमस्कार करता है। लोकः ईश्वरम नमति, लोकः ईश्वरम नमति। यह लोकः करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लोकः मीन्स होल संसार। हे पुत्र, पिता कहाँ है? हाउ सेंटेंस विल कम? हे पुत्र एज इट इज, हे पुत्र लाइक हे राम, हे पुत्र। जनकः कुत्र अस्ति, जनकः कहाँ है, जनकः कुत्र अस्ति। हे दुर्जन, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस, धर्म को क्यों नहीं स्मरण करता? क्यों? सेंटेंस विल बी हे दुर्जन धर्मम, धर्म को, धर्मम कथम, क्यों, कथम मीन्स क्यों एंड हाउ बोथ आर देयर। कथम न स्मरसी, क्योंकि तुम, हियर कर्ता इज नॉट गिवन, डोंट से लाइक सह धर्मम न स्मरति, कथम न स्मरति, नो। सेंटेंस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। हे दुर्जन, तुम लाइक तू धर्म को क्यों नहीं स्मरण करता है? Okay,
so this
many
is
of
not third, this is not Smrati then.
No,
Okay.
because sentence if you understand then Tom is matching here.
Okay.
Hey Durjan.
Katham dharma na smaran. Katham dharma.
Katham is right. Katham two meaning we saw. Katham means why also and what also. Q or kyo. Though we saw meaning. That is why here second meaning. Generally, most of the time, katham is used for how. Katham asti, like how are you? Bhavan katham asti, like that. But here katham is used in the what manner also.
Can we use kimartham?
Yes, kimartham also is there, but kimartham we haven't studied, so but kimartham is more perfect here than katham nasmarati. Katham generally don't people speak. So kimartham, हे दुर्जन त्वम किमर्थम धर्मम न स्मरसि। हे दुर्जन त्वम किमर्थम / कथम if you want, because we have seen that kimartham dharmam na smarasi. Okay, smarati will not come because he durjan tu, this makes sense sentence. Okay, हम ऐसे नहीं बोलते हे दुर्जन वो किस लिए, then we say when we call somebody then we say you, हे दुर्जन you go there, you come here, like that. This is important.
Just say it once. What is it?
So when you say like vocative case, hey Ravan, like Ram is addressing to Ravan and he say hey Ravan, तू अब मरने वाला है. After that तू comes, not वह मरने वाला है. हे रावण वह मरने वाला है. We never say like that. We say हे रावण तू. That is why here त्वम किमर्थम धर्मम न स्मरसि. See, confusion can be there because hey Durjan, third person. And again, why are you using tvam? The logic is whenever we use vocative case, then generally we say tum or tu. हे रावण तुम मरने वाले हो, या फिर हे रावण तू मरने वाला है. Whenever vocative case. हे राम घर कब, तुम घर कब आओगे. हे राम. Unknowingly it is understood it is tvam or yuyam when vocative case is used. Can we say like
When
बोलिए।
it was he lokah, if it goes, then it will be third person.
नहीं, हे लोकः सेंटेंस बोलिए रिगार्डिंग दिस।
सेम थिंग लाइक हे लोकः धर्म क्यों नहीं स्मरण करते।
हाँ, फिर भी त्वम ही आएगा। हे लोक, सह नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज when you say call somebody, it becomes second case, like second person
Okay,
immediately. हाँ,
okay.
any sentence you see, when you use vocative case, you call somebody, then next sentence is for not that person only, related to that person, not third person. हे राम, वह कहाँ गया है। हे राम, सह कुत्र अगच्छत, ऐसे भी बोल सकते। हे राम, सह कुत्र अगच्छत, लेकिन वो पॉसिबिलिटी है। लाइक हे राम, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, वन पॉसिबिलिटी। हे राम, सीता कहाँ गई है। हे राम, सीता कुत्र अस्ति। ओके। हे राम, लोग धर्म का स्मरण क्यों नहीं करते हैं। हे राम, लोकः धर्मम किमर्थम न स्मरति, हो सकता है। बट हियर इट सीम्स लाइक यू आर टॉकिंग टू दैट राम ओनली। हे दुर्जन, लाइक हे दुर्जन, धर्म को क्यों नहीं स्मरण करता। लाइक यू, व्हाई डोंट यू। हाँ, चलो ठीक है। राम घर कब जाता है। रामः गृहं कदा गच्छति। रामः गृहं कदा गच्छति। नेक्स्ट, फूल के चारों ओर जल है। पुष्पम परितः जलम अस्ति। पुष्पम परितः जलम अस्ति। विद्या, वेरी नाइस सेंटेंस, विद्या धर्म की ओर जाती है। विद्या धर्म की ओर। हियर यू सी education is not given, because many people learn it, they don't believe in God. So vidya is like a spiritual kind of knowledge. विद्या धर्म की ओर जाती है, and जो education है that goes towards money in general. Okay, so विद्या धर्म की ओर जाती है, spiritual knowledge we have to understand here. विद्या as it is धर्मम प्रतिगच्छति, धर्म की ओर टुवर्ड्स जाती है। विद्यालय के, ये देखिए वंडरफुल सेंटेंस, विद्यालय के दोनों ओर फल और फूल है। विद्यालयम, विद्यालयम दोनों ओर, अभितः, विद्यालयम अभितः फूल और फल हैं। On that है there is dot. See, this we should know. हाँ, अभितः, on that है there is dot, means it is plural. फूल और फल है, and है there is dot, on that है there is dot, so that means it is a plural. So विद्यालयम परितः पुष्पानि फलानि पुष्पानि च सन्ति। देखो, समझते क्या। विद्यालयम अभितः पुष्पानि फलानि च सन्ति। हाँ, वाई पुष्पानि फलानि, फल और पुष्प है, बिकॉज ऑन दैट है देयर इज डॉट।
That high can be for flower and fruit, no? It need not be flowers. So why we have two items, no? Not like that.
विद्यालय की दोनों ओर फल है, इट कैन बी ए प्लूरल, लाइक फल है, एक है, दो है, वी डोंट नो, बट इट इज, सिंस इट इज ऑन बोथ साइड, सो वी टेक मेनी वुड बी देयर।
Okay, thank you.
That is why. Okay, pushpam phalam cha stah vidyalayam. This can be there if one fruit and one flower is there on both sides.
Okay.
Then who is talking sentence? In which context? We have to see the meaning. Generally,
Okay.
विद्यालय के दोनों और फल फूल हैं, so we say many are there. If it is strictly speaking, if only one flower, one fruit is there, then phalam, pushpam, cha, stah. This will become the sentence. राजा, लास्ट सेंटेंस, राजा दुर्जन को दुख देता है. राजा दुर्जनम तुदति. राजा दुर्जनम तुदति, दुख देता है राजा नृपः. ओके, राजा is also a shabda, rajan shabda, but that declines totally different. Raja, rajano, rajnyah, like that. But raja is also a word. Mool shabda is rajan, nakaranta shabda, rajan. Okay, and yes, see, I am just taking Sanskrit banao. बोलिए बोलिए.
यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? राजा आएगा क्या? राजा से रहूं.
One thing is raja will come if you, because we haven't seen that word. Like rajan is the shabda, nakhalanta shabda declension. Their first vibhakti is raja. Raja, rajano, rajnyah. This is how it declines. But we haven't seen, so we can use nrupaha. Simple. Nrupaha durjanam tudati. And if you want to use raja shabda, then raja will come. But raja is not akaranta shabda. It is halanta nakaranta. Rajan shabda. Hey Rajan. That Rajan declines like Raja, Rajano, Rajnyah. Further, I am taking only Sanskrit banao. Here you see Ashuddha Vakya, Shuddha Vakya. Beautifully they have given. Vidyalaye gacchati. Now you know what is Vidyalaye. Rame. In school they goes. It is Ashuddha Vakya. So what is Shuddha? Vidyalayam gacchati. They have given rule number also there. Gramasya nikasha means in Ashuddha Vakya, which is actually literally grammatically that is possible. Like Vidyalay, in school they go. But there are some other rules. They overwrite this rule. Pay attention once again. Here in this book, Ashuddha Vakya, Shuddha Vakya is given. In that Ashuddha Vakya, those Ashuddha Vakyas are there. That is actually literally grammatically that is possible. Like Vidyalaya gacchati. Vidyalaya means seventh case. Seventh case means in and on. So in school they go. But gati, gatyarthak, dvitiya, this rule overrides Vidyalaya gacchati. Otherwise, grammatically Vidyalaya gacchati is true. But there are some rules. They override this Vidyalaya gacchati. Pushpasya paritah. Like, Pushpasya paritah. But it is Pushpam paritah. Dharmasya anugacchati. Dharma ko palan karte. Dharmasya dharmam anugacchati. So there are some rules. Rikta sthan baro is also given there. Write that also. Gramam dash jalam asti. What will you write? Gramam paritah. See, thoroughly the system is given so that you can practice properly. See, vakya banao. Abhitah vakya banao. You have to make one sentence on your own. You will feel much difficulty here to make sentence of one word. Hindi to Sanskrit you can now easily translate. Rules are in your head, everything is in front of you, but you just make abhitah sentence. You will feel difficulty. So solve that also. I am telling you, solve everything. Whatever is possible, you do that. Here we are taking this only. Okay. Simple point. One more addition to this. Last class we saw 7 vibhaktis. Ramah, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Ramasya, Rame, Hey Ram. 7 vibhakti and their sentences we saw, and I had asked you to write down sentences of whichever character you like Bhishma, Bhishma, Yudhishthira, any character. 7. I'm not going to ask you, but you can send to me.
Okay.
Okay, if we get time today, then we will see one of you if you have prepared. The good news is Rama 7 vibhakti we saw. Napunsakalinga Vanam Shabda 7 vibhakti, same like Rama. Yes, only Prathama and Dvitiya there is change. Otherwise, it is same like Rama only. Like you see, I will take one word, will not write. Ramaha, Ramam, Prathama Dvitiya. Only Vanam, Prathama Dvitiya. What is the third vibhakti of Rama Shabda? Now we should know at least 7 vibhaktis. Ramena. So Vana Shabda, what will be the Tritiya vibhakti? Vanena. Same like Rama. If you know Rama Shabda 7 vibhaktis, Vanam Shabda, Pushpam Shabda, all words, all vibhaktis you know now. Rama Shabda Chaturthi vibhakti, Ramaya. What will be the Rajyam Shabda Chaturthi vibhakti? Rajyaya. Ramaya. Ramaya. Rajyam. Rajyaya. Easy. Panchami vibhakti Ramat. What will be the Panchami vibhakti of Nagaram Shabda? Ramat. Nagarat. Nagarat. Ramasya.
Nagarasya.
Pushpasya. Phalasya. You take different words. Napunsak linga. What we have seen. So Shashti. What is the 7th vibhakti of Patram Shabda? Patre. Same like Rame. Patre. So if you know Rama 7 vibhaktis and how to use them differently, Napunsak linga is easy. Ramena Patrena. Same like Pullinga. After 3rd vibhakti. Yeah. 1st and 2nd vibhakti we know. Vanam Vane Vanani. Vanam Vane Vanani. But 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and Sambodhan nahi. Up to 7th vibhakti it is like Rama only. So that is also easy part. We will decline one word in 7 vibhaktis. So right now we will do that.
ये अवनम की पहली विभक्ति और दूसरी सेम रहेगी. अवनम की वनम.
Vanam, yes, Prathama Dvitiya same. After 3rd up to next all they will change.
Fine. Okay.
So Agrawal ji was not there in last class, so we will write down 7 vibhaktis for Nagaram Shabda and sentences. See Agrawal ji, I will make one sentence because last class we saw something important like how to make 7 vibhakti sentences. That was a really important topic. I will recap that so that you get once again revision of that and
I will say saw that it's okay. There's no problem. You can go ahead if you want.
Okay.
I saw that.
Okay. Yeah, today, tomorrow I will upload both the classes. Actually, I should have, but it's okay. Okay. So Vanam Shabda now 7 vibhaktis and how to make sentences that we'll see. So Vanam, it is like Rama Shabda only. So Prathama vibhakti, how will be the sentence? What sentence we should take? Mitram Shabda. Okay, Mitram is Napunsak Linga Shabda. See, our Mitra can be a masculine gender, but the word to decline that is in Napunsak Linga Shabda. Okay, Shabda has different gender, but friend can be a masculine gender, but the word to decline that friend is different. Last time also I told you there is entity, object, and there is name for that entity. So name can have different gender. Okay, ठीक है, will not go in that. Mitram, so mitram is napunsak linga ek vachan. Okay, mitram hasati, like friend laughs. Now second vibhakti. Yes, second vibhakti. Ramah mitram स्मरति. Ramah mitram smarati. Now mitram became second case because Ramah is first and smarati. Then Ganeshah mitrena sah. See, Agrawal ji, whenever we use tritiya vibhakti like together or with, then sah is must. Whenever sah is there will be always third case. Always.
Okay.
This is the rule of third case. Mitrena Ramah Prushnena sah gacchati. Sita Ramena sah gacchati. Lakshmanah Ramena sah. Sah always will be. Ganeshah Mitrena sah gacchati. Gacchati. Okay. Next, Mitraya means fourth case. So, Agrawalji, whenever we give something to somebody, there we will use fourth case. Like I am giving something to you, Rama is giving something to Sita. There, wherever we give in that recipient, we use fourth case. Like we can say, Shankarah Mitraya, just like Ramaya Mitraya. Dhanam, and to give we have Dadati or Yachati. Shankarah Mitraya Dhanam. See, now Mitra Shabda is only we are declining. Mitra. Okay. Mitrat. Whenever we take something from somebody, we take, that time we use Panchami Vibhakti. These are standard format. Like whenever you go together with and together you use Sah. And whenever you use Sah, there is Tritiya Vibhakti. Whenever you give something to somebody, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. And whenever you take something from somebody, then it is Panchami Vibhakti. So I will say Bharatah Ramat, from Rama Paduka Svikaroti. Like Paduke will come because two. Svikaroti. Svikaroti means Svikar karna. Same like that. Svikaroti. So now you see Ramat, from Rama. Panchami Vibhakti means from. Okay. Sixth case. Oh, Ramat nahi, Bharatah Mitrat aayega. Because Mitra Shabda we are declining. Mitrat Paduke Svikaroti. Paduke Rama Rame. Two, because two Paduka. Okay, Mitrasya. Krishna Mitra ka